So we're gonna play a little prank on my daughter-in-law Crystal. Her and I do a channel called Ask Uncle Tony, and we're gonna be building this car over here for the Gambler 500. Which shout out to Junkyard Diggs and Junkyard Luke for the idea. You know. So anyway, we're gonna build this thing for the Gambler 500, and she has zero mechanical experience. She's never touched a wrench in her life. So we're gonna build this car, and on that channel we're gonna like teach her all of the skills. So this time, this is my shop neighbor Ralph. He's got that blown Roadrunner that we featured. He's got those bays over there. So he's going to help us out with this.
Hi guys.
Squirt bottle. So at any rate, she's going to be along in a few minutes, and we're going to teach her how to weld. Okay, what do you think? Crystal! You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
So we got to start on your first. We're going to shoot 2 videos today. We're going to shoot one for UTG.
Oh, okay.
And we're going to shoot one for our channel.
Okay.
Okay. But let's do the one for our channel first. So you're going to have to learn skills.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
We're going to teach you how to weld.
Oh, okay.
You know Ralph, right? Have you ever met?
No.
No. Hi,
How
I'm
are
Ralph.
you?
Nice
He's got
to
the
meet
shop
you.
next door.
Oh, okay.
All right. So it's over here.
Okay.
We have it all ready to go. Have you ever done this before?
No.
Have you ever seen anybody weld before?
Yes.
Okay, so you have an idea what goes on.
Yes.
All right. You're not wearing...
Oh, I have sneakers in the car. Should I put sneakers on?
That's all right, I'll throw something over your feet, that'll be fine.
No, I've got sneakers.
No, that's okay, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. Well, I'll find something to put over your feet. Don't stress it, because you got to stand on stuff anyway.
Okay.
All right, so look, small welder, right? Really simple. I'll set all of this up so that all you have to do is just point and shoot.
Okay.
So you want to do a little practice first?
Sure.
All right. I'm just going to make like we're actually shooting a video.
Okay.
All right. So, dry run. You ready?
Okay.
All right. Don't be nervous. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Okay.
It puts out about 1,000,000 volts.
Okay.
Right? And actually, it's hot enough that it melts steel instantly.
Okay.
So it's got about the same firepower as the sun, but just in a very little area. That's how it melts the steel.
Okay.
So, okay. So one of the things when you're building a race engine, right? Sometimes the bolts aren't enough to hold the head on.
Okay.
So you have to weld the head to the block.
Okay.
All right. So here I got a head. All right. So we're gonna have to weld this head right here down to the block. Don't worry about it if it's not a perfect weld, because I'll finish it up later and I'll do the one on the other side, but for now. All right, so we need something to cover your feet with. What do we got to cover our feet with? Well, before we even do that, all right, once this thing gets going, right, it creates what's called a plasma cloud. No, it's over
Yeah.
here. It's just a electrical charge.
Okay.
It's like, you know static electricity?
Yeah.
You know, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's what that is. So the plasma cloud forms, and if you're not grounded, you know about being grounded, right?
Yeah.
Okay, if you're not grounded, what'll happen is it'll arc off between your legs like a Tesla coil.
Oh, okay.
So we got the grounding. Yeah, you give me those pads. Okay. So you definitely don't want to keep your feet together. You want to have them one in front of the other. And here.
Okay.
So put 1 foot there and then 1 foot there. That's good. And let me get something to cover your feet with. Let me see what we got. Oh, this will be fine. These things look like they're flammable, but they're not. The Chinese never sent over flammable stuff, so so here you go. All right, so move your feet from that position. I can move the motor if you need to be more comfortable.
Okay.
All right, so then you need these gloves. Put these on.
Okay.
Those are more important than you think.
Okay. I believe you.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want me to like learn how to like turn some wrenches?
I don't need to visit you and to burn you in it, you know? And then you got this. Okay, take your glasses off. Okay. Put this on your head, tighten that down. Let me know when it's too tight.
That's good.
Is it too tight?
No, it's not.
All right, then we gotta go a little more.
Oh, okay.
Does it hurt?
No.
All right, we gotta go a little more.
Okay.
All right, okay.
Okay.
And then naturally, once we go going, you have to have that down or it'll blind you.
Okay.
So, here, let me fire this up. Just so that you see, okay, so look.
Before you go any further, you gotta have this bottle of water nearby. So
Oh,
when
yeah.
your arm catches on fire, you have
Yeah.
something to spray on,
Put
okay?
the-
Oh,
yeah.
good. Oh,
Crystal,
good.
look, it's right here.
Okay.
So just, look, it's simple. You grab it and just
Spray my
goes
arm.
right out. It's not a big deal. People do this every day.
Yeah. Okay.
Rosita Riveter and all of that, you know, but those are rivets. Those weren't, those on welding.
Oh,
But
okay.
still, women weld. So look, here, this is what it looks like. No, stop.
Yeah, I'm good. That's what it was.
So look, here, grab this.
Sweet.
Stay grounded,
Thank you.
your foot is covered. Okay. Move this foot up a little bit. All right. Remember, you don't want to keep your legs completely parallel because it starts arcing off. Those jeans will go up like nothing. So look,
Oh my god. Okay.
stop, come on.
Okay.
All right, put it here. All right, pull this down. And when I say go, hit the trigger.
Okay.
Go. More, push into it. There you go. Roll that head on there. Get that head stuck up. Oh shit. Here. Hurry up. Squirt. No, your arm.
My arm's not on fire. I can see my arm. It's not on fire. I'm gonna die.
You're good.
You're gonna kill me. You're gonna kill me.
No, I'll teach you how to really do it.
Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm gonna die.
We'll do that on the other channel.
Okay.
So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. See you tomorrow.